And there they were, Rose Quartz, the leader of the rebellion, and her terrifying renegade Pearl.
Oh, no. Uh-oh. What?
No!
Oh, we're...
Okay.
Yes. Oh, no.
What? What?
Oh.
Oh, no!
Oh.
What?
No.